Hey everyone! Whether it's a weekend trip, a business trip, or your dream vacation, the right credit card can save you a lot on flights and travel costs. Today, we'll discuss the 5 best airline credit cards in USA that can help you earn rewards, enjoy exclusive benefits, and make your trips more enjoyable and memorable. Here are our top 5 picks. First, we have the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. It's a best choice for flexibility and bonuses, and it comes with a $95 yearly fee. If you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months, you'll earn 75,000 points, which can be worth up to $937.50 in travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards. You earn 5 points for every dollar spent on travel booked through Chase, excluding hotel bookings that get the $50 yearly hotel credit, 3 points per dollar on dining, online groceries, and certain streaming services, 2 points per dollar on other travel, and 1 point per dollar on everything else. It's best for people with good to excellent credit. Plus, this card gives your points a 25% boost when you use them for travel through Chase, and you can transfer points 1-to-1 to 14 travel partners, including 11 airlines. Other perks include a $50 yearly hotel credit, travel protections, and benefits from Instacart and Lyft. Next is the Capital One Venture Rewards Credit Card. It's perfect for those new to airline rewards. With a $95 annual fee, you can earn a big 75,000 miles by spending $4,000 in the first 3 months, which is worth $750, and travel isn't great. Plus, the card is easy to use, giving you 2x miles on all purchases without any complicated reward rules. You also get extra perks like up to $100 credit for TSA PreCheck or Global Entry, and no foreign transaction fees. Plus, you'll have access to Capital One's travel partners, which include 16 airline loyalty programs where you can transfer your miles. This credit card is perfect choice for those who want a simple and easy way to earn and use travel rewards. Next, we have the Platinum Card from American Express for frequent travelers. It is really amazing. With a $695 annual fee, it offers substantial benefits. Earn 80,000 points after spending $8,000 in the first 6 months. You get 5x points on flights and hotels booked through MX Travel, and 1x points on other purchases. The card provides $200 yearly credits for airline fees, up to $189 for Clear Plus membership, access to over 1,400 airport lounges, and credits for TSA PreCheck or Global Entry every 4 years. Plus, you get up to $200 in Uber Cash and $200 in credits for hotel bookings through MX Travel each year. These benefits make the Platinum Card a top choice for those who travel a lot, offering strong competition to the Chase Sapphire Reserve. Next on our list is the Alaska Airlines Visa Signature Credit Card. With a $95 annual fee, is an excellent choice for those who frequently fly with companions. It offers a welcome offer of 60,000 miles and Alaska's famous companion fare after spending $3,000 within the first 90 days. This card rewards users with 3x miles on Alaska Airlines purchases and 2x miles on gas, EV charging, streaming services, and local transit, with 1x miles on other purchases. The companion fare benefit allows for 1 round-trip coach fare for a companion for just $99 plus taxes and fees, starting at $23 each account anniversary, provided you spend at least $6,000 on the card annually. Additional benefits include a free checked bag, priority boarding, 20% off in-flight purchases, and a discount on Alaska Lounge plus membership. Overall, this card can save you a lot on flights. Last but not least, we have the Delta SkyMiles Platinum American Express Card, a top choice for Delta Airlines travelers. This credit card comes with a $350 annual fee. When you first get the card, you can earn a big reward of 85,000 miles if you spend $4,000 in the first 6 months. Plus, every time you use the card to buy Delta flights or book hotels directly, you earn 3 times the miles. There are other benefits too, like 15% off when you use your miles to book flights. And don't forget, with the Delta SkyMiles Platinum American Express card, you get a free round-trip flight every year. Plus, there are more benefits. You get credits every year to use at hotels, restaurants, and for rideshares. With all these good things combined, the Delta SkyMiles Platinum American Express card is a perfect choice for those who want better travel perks and rewards. That's our list of the top 5 best airline credit cards in the USA. Each credit card has unique benefits, so think about your travel habits to choose the best one for you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful content. Thanks for watching, and safe travels!